On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. For this episode, I'm simply going to be using AI to help me keep this lawn looking attractive and everything, and I'll show you how to do that too. Subscribe. The main objective in this project is to get this house to be clean, comfortable, and inviting. And in order to do that, I needed to start on the outside first. So here I am. All right, I got an assignment for y'all. 2 things. First, hit the like button. Second, let me know what y'all thought about how I did this front porch. Give me 1 second. Let me walk to the house right quick. All right, listen up. Here's the plan. So see this stain right here? So this board is basically the same board, but it's unstained, right? So last year, I just painted it, right? So with the idea that I would just come around and sand it down. So I'm gonna just take some sandpaper, not sandpaper, I got the actual equipment to sand it down. So I'm gonna sand it down to get these wood striations through here. So it should make for a really good look. So after the video, comment, let me know what you think. Hit that like button and please subscribe.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
One way to save money is to do like I'm doing. I went and bought the sandpaper by the sheets. So all I'm gonna do is just cut the sheets down, measure it, and then just basically quadruple them. See that mailbox? I'm thinking about 3D printing one and replacing it and showing it in a different episode. All right, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I still have to do a little bit of blend into the edges, but I'll do that later. I'm gonna be headed into the house to start painting. And y'all are gonna wanna see this because I'm using some colors that I normally would not use. Each one of these little grooves and marks in the wood tells its own little story. So I thought that was kind of cool to be able to bring that out and show you guys the technique on how to do it. So I'm gonna head into the house next and show you guys what I'm about to do next. On this next episode, I'm gonna be painting the living room and dining room area. I have some interesting color combinations that I'm gonna be putting together, so you're gonna wanna see that.